From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. For CNET TV, this is student meteorologist Ben Ames. As we take a look now out over the Penn State golf courses, a really nice day out there, but it's sweltering hot. 88 degrees right now. We were at 90 earlier, about 30 minutes ago. And as you can see, that heat and some of that humidity building up, we have all this southern air coming up, starting to make for some of these building cumulus clouds, and that is going to be something to watch for. We do have a chance for a scattered shower or storm later today, but the big threat comes in tomorrow with the cold front moving through. But right now, 88 degrees, partly cloudy conditions, rather nice day out there. Feels like 91 out there, so summer, is still around here in State College. Those winds are pretty gusty today, though. Winds out of the west-southwest at 11 miles an hour currently. The weather headlines going into the rest of your work week, though, sweltering heat today up into the 90s. Thunderstorms, though, likely tomorrow as a cold front moves through, and that cold front is going to be making for a rainy end to the week. We'll keep an eye out on that, but current temperatures across the Mid-Atlantic, 92 down in Washington, 93 over in West Virginia in Charleston, and we're sitting in the 80s, and some places are now at the in the low 90s, 92 in Williamsport right now, 90 in Harrisburg, 88 down in Philly. Very hot one out there. And then as we take a view of the nation, as you can see, there is kind of a cutoff here with, you see some of those greens kind of pushing down. We're going to talk about that. There's a reason for that, and that's a cold front that's going to be moving through tomorrow. So tonight we get down into the 60s. We'll bring it towards about 1:30 tomorrow. As you can see, some parts of the northern parts of the state are going to be seeing some cooler temperatures start to push through, and then that air starts sinking down with that cold front. We're down to 76 by 4:30, and watch that. Just like that, we're down into the lower 60s by 8 p.m. Some places all the way up towards Bradford to the northern parts of the state, chance for us to get into the 40s comes Friday morning. That's going to be a big change to what we've seen these past couple days. We barely get up into the 70s come Friday. So there's another look at that cold front off toward our north and west. As you can see, already stirring up some of those thunderstorms towards parts of Michigan. Right now, though, just some scattered cloud cover today. That'll be continuing. A slight chance for maybe a thunderstorm this evening, but the big chance comes in overnight. Get a line of thunderstorms that'll likely be moving through overnight towards the 3, 4 o'clock hour. And then tomorrow afternoon is really when we're going to see the threat for these storms. As you can see, a little line of thunderstorms starting to pop up there. Really becomes something off down to the south towards Maryland and Delaware. That's when really the severe threat could kick off tomorrow. But by Friday, unfortunately, it is going to be a bit of a gray one going into the weekend with that game against Pittsburgh. But today, enjoy it while it lasts, because it's going to be hot and relatively nice out there. 91 degrees as our high temperature, hot and breezy with just a few clouds. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour, 30 even at times. So keep an eye out for that. It is going to be a little blustery out there. But then tonight is really when things start kicking off in terms of those thunderstorms. 67 degrees tonight. Scattered thunderstorms starting to develop later on in the evening. Those winds out of the west at 5 to 10. And then going into tomorrow, that thunderstorm threat continues. Thunderstorms really likely throughout the day. Going to be a bit of a mostly cloudy day as well, so not the best day to be out there as that cold front starts to move through. We start the day up towards 79, and then we drastically cool off from there going into tomorrow night. And then 7-day forecast, well, this weekend doesn't look too great. 68 on Friday once that cold front starts to move through. Cooler temperatures Saturday, AM showers. We'll have to keep an eye on the timing of that, but definitely going to probably want to bring a poncho for that game against Pittsburgh. But then look at that. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Things look absolutely gorgeous. 80 degrees on Sunday, 82 on Monday, and 81 on Tuesday. For CNET TV, this is student meteorologist Ben Ames.